VA renovation loans allow you to buy a home or refinance and include all of the repairs that you want to do or that you have to do to get a VA loan. Hi, I'm John Adams. I work for Loan Depot, one of the top originators for our company for renovation lending and the top originator for VA renovation loans. I'm passionate about what this does for veterans because it allows you to buy any home regardless of the condition and include all the improvements that you either want to do or have to do to get the loan normally that would keep you from buying the house. Now there's a lot of different products out there that address this, including a 203k or a home style renovation loans. A lot of veterans don't know they have this option. If you'd like more information, my team would love to help you. All I need you to do is click down below in the banner. You can sign up for my free webinar or talk to one of our consultants. Even if we're not licensed in your state, we'll be glad to help or point you in the right direction of an originator that does VA renovation loans, that understands the process and can navigate you through it. We're looking forward to help you in your renovation loan process, and we appreciate your service.